I am not speaking English. That means ମୁଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ କହୁ ନାହିଁ। I play cricket. ମୁଁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳୁ ନାହିଁ। କଣ ହବ?
I am not playing.
I wash clothes. ମୁଁ କପଡ଼ା ସଫା କରୁ ନାହିଁ। କଣ ହବ? ଧନରାଜ ସାର୍।
I am not washing clothes.
ମୁଁ ମୁଭି ଦେଖୁ ନାହିଁ। କଣ ହବ?
I am not watching movie.
ମୁଁ ଗୀତ ଗାଉ ନାହିଁ।
I am not singing a song.
ମୁଁ ମୋବାଇଲ କିଣୁ ନାହିଁ।
I am not buying mobile.
ମୁଁ ମୁଭି ଦେଖୁ ନାହିଁ।
I am not watching movie.
ମୁଁ ଘର ସଫା କରୁ ନାହିଁ।
I am not washing home.
Cleaning home.
Cleaning house. Sorry, sir.
I'm not cleaning home. Understood?
Yes, sir.
ବୁଝିହେଲା?
Sir.
Next, ଧନରାଜ ସାର୍। ଧନରାଜ ସାର୍ କହୁଥିଲେ। ଫିରୋଜ ସାର୍। ଫିରୋଜ ସାର୍। ଫିରୋଜ ସାର୍। ମହାନନ୍ଦିଆ ସାର୍ ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଫିରୋଜ ସାର୍। ଠିକ ଅଛି। କୀର୍ତ୍ତି।
Yes, sir.
ମୁଁ ହକି ଖେଳୁ ନାହିଁ।
I am not playing hockey.
ମୁଁ ମୁଭି ଦେଖୁ ନାହିଁ।
I am not watching movie.
ମୁଁ ଗୀତ ଶୁଣୁ ନାହିଁ।
I am not hearing a song.
Listening a song. Listening a song.
Yes.
ମୋ ମାଙ୍କୁ ଡାକୁ ନାହିଁ।
I am not. I'm not.
I'm not.
I'm calling mother.
ମୁଁ ଚିକେନ ଖାଉ ନାହିଁ।
I am not eating chicken.
रेडी सर?
हाँ सर।
रेडी सर?
हाँ सर।
ମୁଁ ହକି ଖେଳି ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ ହକି ଖେଳୁ ନାହିଁ।
I am not hockey playing.
Playing hockey sir.
Playing.
I am not playing hockey. ମୁଁ ଗୀତ ଗାଉ ନାହିଁ।
I am not singing song.
ମୁଁ ମୋବାଇଲ ବିକୁ ନାହିଁ।
I am not mobile selling.
Selling mobile sir. उल्टा मुल्टा कहउछन काई। I am not selling mobile. Next. ମୁଁ चिकेन रांधु नहीं। कुकिंग कौन हो सर? I am not cooking chicken. Ready sir?
हाँ सर।
सर मु कपाट खोलू नहीं। सर ओपन लिखा है छिबा।
Cook open close.
सर आपन स्क्रीन देखाउ जी?
हाँ सर। Cook open close लिखा है सर।
सर ओपन कहू नांती मु बा कपाट खोलू नहीं मु कहली।
I am not.
ING बसंत ओपन रे। ओपनिंग है येला सर। ओपनिंग द डोर। रेडी सर?
हाँ सर।
मु कपाट बंद करू नहीं। सर आई एम कहतु
I am not open door.
नहीं बंद करू नहीं बंद माने होची क्लोज कौन हबो सर देखंतु सब्जेक्ट रहइबो हमर एठी आम अछि सेंती आर भी हेई परिबो इज भी हेई परिबो और परे सर आपण आईएनजी बसेइबे जानि पड़ले रेडी सर
Sir, how to कौन sir?
सर देखा होची स्क्रीन
हाँ sir.
कौन लिखा है एस माने सब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट माने कोन आई वी यू दे जहां भी हेई परिबो
हाँ
आ संगे आम बसेई परिबे आम कहा
हाँ
पाखे लागिबो आई जदी हैला आम बसला
हाँ
यू जदी हबो आर बसिबो वी हेले आर बसिबो दे हेले सर आर बसिबो ହେଲା सर
Sir,
हाँ
he
सर आपण जदी ही कहिबे ताले सेठी इज बसिबो सेंते सी कहले इज बसिबो बा कहार ना जदी बसेइबे ताले इज बसिबो ହେଲା रेडी सर बुझी पड़ले
हाँ sir.
ଏବେ କହିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଚିକେନ ରାନ୍ଧୁଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଚିକେନ ରାନ୍ଧୁଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ହେଲା ଆଇ
हाँ.
ଏଥିରେ ଆମ୍ ବସନ୍ତୁ
I am not.
ନାଇଁ ନଟ ବସିନି ମୁଁ ନାହିଁ କହିଛି ମୁଁ ରାନ୍ଧୁଛି ବା
I am cooking. I am cook
କୁକିଂ ଚିକେନ
chicken. Cook chicken.
କୁକ୍ ଆଇଏନଜି ବସିବା ଭର୍ବରେ ଆଇଏନଜି ବସିଟି
I am.
ହଁ ମୁଁ
I am
କବାଟ
cooking
ଖୋଲୁଛି
chicken.
ମୁଁ କବାଟ ଖୋଲୁଛି
I am open.
ଆଇଏନଜି ବସାନ୍ତୁ ଓପନିଂ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍
The
ମୁଁ କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରୁଛି
I am close door.
ସାର୍
Closing door.
ଭର୍ବରେ ଆଇଏନଜି ବସିବା ଆଉ ଥରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ପୁରା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ
I am closing door.
ଜାଣିପାରିଲେ
हाँ.
ଠିକ ଅଛି समर सर गुड इवनिंग
गुड इवनिंग सर
सर सर ମୁଁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳୁଛି
आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट
ମୁଁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳୁ ନାହିଁ
आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग क्रिकेट
ଆପଣ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳୁଛନ୍ତି କି
यू आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट
आर यू प्लेइंग क्रिकेट ହେଇଯିବ ସାର୍
सॉरी आर यू प्लेइंग क्रिकेट
ଠିକ ଅଛି କୀର୍ତ୍ତି
Yes, sir.
ମୁଁ କବାଟ ଖୋଲୁଛି
I am opening the door.
ମୁଁ କବାଟ ଖୋଲୁ ନାହିଁ
I am not opening the door.
ଆପଣ କବାଟ ଖୋଲୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି
Do you opening the door?
ଏଇଟା ଆମର ଅଛି ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଓପନିଂ ଦ ଡୋର ହେଇଯିବ
Oh,
ମୁଁ କାର ଚଲାଉଛି
I driving a car.
ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଇଜ ଆମର ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭିଂ ଏ କାର
I am driving a car.
ମୁଁ କାର ଚଲାଉ ନାହିଁ
I am not driving a car.
ଆପଣ କାର ଚଲାଉଛନ୍ତି କି
Are you driving a car?
ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଡ୍ରାଇଭିଂ ଏ କାର
Sir,
ମୁଁ ମୁଭି ଦେଖୁଛି
I am watching movie.
ମୁଭି ଦେଖୁ ନାହିଁ
I am not watching movie.
ଆପଣ ମୁଭି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କି
Are you watching movie?
okay so Kirti
Sir,
I have written few verbs in front of your screen can you see the screen
Yes, sir.
So, like speak like I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, and put any name and each. Ready? Speak one sentence.
Sir,
Like I am cooking rice, you are cooking chicken, we are cooking paneer, they are cooking vegetable chop, he is cooking mutton, she is cooking prawn, prawn, Rajesh is cooking chicken biryani. Like this.
sir, open to.
Cook.
Oh, I am cooking chicken. You were cooking chicken.
Chicken
We
only,
were.
no repetition.
Oh, chicken.
New dish.
I am cooking chicken. You are cooking mutton. We are cooking fish. They are cooking vegetable. Mm, He is cooking. He is cooking prawn. He is cooking chapati. Rajesh is cooking crab.
Okay. Then buy.
Sir,
Buy.
I am buy vegetable.
Wrong. ING.
I am buying vegetables. You are buying. mm, you are buying fruits. We were buying. We were buying soybean. Mm, They are buying buying a fridge. He is buying a AC. She is buying a aquaguard. Rajesh is buying a mobile phone.
Very nice. Samar sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please start.
Who, sir?
One sentence.
Okay, sir. I am cooking rice. Are you cooking chicken? We are cooking paneer. They are cooking noodles. He is cooking fish. She is cooking vegetable curry. I am opening the door. Are you opening the windows? We are opening the fridge door. They are opening the mm,
They are opening the
washing machine door. He is opening the car door. She is opening the she's opening the
She's opening the mobile phone.
she's opening the mobile phone. I am closing the door.
Okay,
Are you close?
thank you. Thandra sir.
Sir,
Sir, please start.
I am reading a book.
Speech.
Okay, sir. I am teaching English. You are teaching English. We are teaching Hindi. They are teaching Marathi. He is teaching Emile. He is teaching Sanskrit. Ramo is teaching mathematics. Sir,
फिरोज सर आवाज किसी शुभु नहीं. फिरोज सर
सर शुभुनी कि सर
किसी कहूना ठीक है. फिरोज सर.
सर
सेल सेल लगे कि ना गोटे गोटे सेंटेंस को सेल ठीक है इयरफोन टू आपण माने मुहटा दूरे टिके रखन बहुत साउंड हो
sir.
आई एम सेलिंग
I am selling mobile. You are selling TV. We are selling fan. They are selling chair. He is selling clothes. She is selling bedsheet. Ramo is selling mobile phone.
ओके नेक्स्ट इज कीर्ति
Yes, sir.
कट कट CUT कट
Yes, sir. I am cutting a paper. You are cutting a
अपन
cloth. We were cutting a
potato tomato speak
we were cutting a potato. They are cutting a onion. He is cutting a tomato. She is cutting a turnip. Rajesh is cutting a carrot.
okay thank you next our ready sir
हाँ सर
सर बाय 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 लगे कि ना चेष्टा करले सेंटेंस कहयो पे
I am buying car. You are buying a tractor. You are buying a pen. They are buying pencil. He is buying table. He is buying bike. Santosh is buying table.
he is buying sir he is buying
Hey, sir. Hey, sir.
हेगला
हाँ सर
Anurag sir Sir
Sir,
sir we
sir.
are going to create questions like are you buying and you ask to Hiroj sir
Sir,
sir you just keep on asking question and Hiroj sir you are going to answer yes I buy or no I nahi yes I am buying or no I am buying
yes.
you ask are you buying like are you buying car are you buying a house so you are going to say yes I
Okay,
am
sir.
buying or no I am not buying start
Sir.
Anurag sir please ask to Hiroj sir
Okay, sir. Only buy, sir.
buy change the verb doesn't matter
Okay, okay, sir. Are you hello?
Sir, again, sir. Please
Are you
speak.
cooking rice?
object
I
object
am cooking.
Sir, are you cooking rice?
Yes, I am cooking rice.
Are you opening the door?
No, I am not open the door.
Are you closing the door?
Yes, I am close the door.
Are you reading English?
Yes, I am reading English book.
Are you teaching English?
Yes, I am teaching English.
Are you watching TV?
No, I am not watching movies.
Are you put ball?
Sir,
Are you putting a ball?
yes, I am putting a ball.
Are you cutting vegetable?
Sir,
Are you cutting vegetable?
yes, I am cutting a vegetable.
Are you buying a mobile?
No, I am not buying a mobile.
Sir,
Please, sir,
I am
again.
selling a bike.
Speak louder, Thandra sir. Voice is breaking.
Okay. Are you selling motorbike?
Yes, I chilling butter bag.
I am selling motorbike.
I am chilling butter bag. Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. Over, sir. Sir,
Kirti, please ask to Samar sir. Please ask to question. Are you format? Ask question to Samar sir. Kirti. Kirti. Kirti.
Yes, sir.
କୁଆଡେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ? ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ବସନ୍ତୁ। Ask question to Samar sir.
Are you cooking chicken?
Yes, I am cooking chicken.
Are you cooking vegetable soup?
Once again.
Are you cooking vegetable soup?
Yes, I am cooking vegetable chips.
You are cooking. You are cooking.
Are you cooking?
Sorry, are you cooking?
Change the verb. Change the verb. Kirti.
Are you opening the door?
Yes, I am opening the door.
Are you opening the window?
Yes, I am opening the windows.
Say no also.
Are you opening the? Are you opening the mobile?
Once again.
Are you opening the mobile?
No, I am not opening the mobile.
Are you closing the door?
No, I am not closing the door.
Are you closing the window?
No, I am not closing the windows.
Are you closing the book?
No, yes, I am closing the book.
Are you read the storybook?
Yes, I am reading the storybook.
Are you reading?
Reading. Kirti ask.
Are you read a story? Are you read a story?
Next verb.
Are you teaching math?
Yes, I am teaching a math.
I am teaching math.
Next verb.
Are you watching the movie?
No, I am not watching the movie.
Are you watching the mobile phone?
No, I am not putting the mobile phone?
Watching. Are you putting the ball?
No, I am not putting the bulb.
Are you cutting a paper?
Yes, I am cutting paper.
Are you cutting vegetables?
Sorry,
Are you cutting vegetables?
yes, I am cutting vegetable.
Are you buying a house?
Yes, I am buying a house.
Are you buying vegetables?
No, I am not buying a vegetable.
Are you buying fruits?
Yes, I am buying fruits.
Are you selling a house?
Yes, I am selling house.
Are you selling um, vegetables?
Yes, I am selling a vegetable.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, Samar sir,
Yes, sir.
please ask to Reddy sir.
Are you cooking chicken?
Yes, I am cooking chicken.
Are you open the door?
Opening the door.
Sorry. Are you opening the door?
Yes,
I am opening the door. Next question.
Are you closing the windows?
Sir, yes, no, jaha le kuhuntu.
sorry, out kuhuntu.
Are you closing the window?
Yes, you are
Yes, I am closing the window.
watching.
Sir, question.
Are you reading history?
Yes, I am reading history.
Are you teaching math?
You are
Yes, I am teaching math.
reading math.
Are you watching C?
Yes, I am watching. See,
Are you watching? No, sorry. Are you putting bet?
Are you putting
Bet.
bat?
Sorry, bet.
हाँ मु bat रखुची. Reddy sir कुहंतु.
yes, I am bad.
The bat.
Are you cutting wooden piece?
Are you cutting the potato?
Yes, I am cutting potato.
Are you buying chair?
Yes, I am buying chair.
Are you buying a fridge?
Yes, I am buying fish.
Okay.
Wonderful. Thank you, sir. Sir, he is. Samar sir.
Yes, sir.
Chandra sir, you are going to say he is. Next, use the corresponding verbs and speak a sentence. He is. Chandra sir,
Okay, sir.
he is.
He is cooking rice.
He is cooking rice.
Yes. Sir.
Next, he is opening.
He is opening the door.
Hmm.
He is closing the door.
She
He
may
is
use
reading.
all. She is.
Okay, okay, sir. He is cooking the rice. She is cooking the chicken biryani. Ramo is cooking the mutton biryani. So he is cooking. He is opening the door. She is opening the window. Moin is opening the box. He is closing the door.
Okay, question. Samar sir,
Yes, sir.
is he cooking rice?
Hello.
Is he opening the door?
Okay.
Answer is going to be yes, he is opening the door, or no, he is not opening the door.
Okay.
Samar,
He is. Yes, sir.
he. Question.
Okay, sir. He is cooking.
Arey sir, is he?
Sorry. Is he cooking chicken?
Hirot sir, answer. Hirot sir.
Yes, I am cooking chicken.
Arey sir, he. I nahi, he. Is he cooking chicken?
Yes, I am
Chicken
cooking.
ରାନ୍ଧୁଛି କି? ଆଉ ସେ ଚିକେନ ରାନ୍ଧୁଛି ମୁଁ ପଚାରିବି ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଚିକେନ ରାନ୍ଧୁଛି ସେ ଚିକେନ ରାନ୍ଧୁଛି କି? Yes, he is cooking chicken.
Yes, he is cooking chicken. Yes,
ନହେଲେ
sir.
ହବ no, he is not cooking.
No.
Is she opening the door?
Yes, he is opening the door.
Sorry. Is she
Yeah.
opening the door?
Yes. Yes, she is opening the door.
No, she is not opening the door.
Yes. No, he's no, she is the opening the door.
Is Ramo closing the door?
Yes, Ramos is closing the door.
Is he reading book?
No, he is not reading book.
Is she teaching English?
Yes, she is teaching English.
Is Prashant watching TV?
No, Prashant is not watching TV.
Is he putting ball?
Yes, he is putting ball.
Is she cutting potatoes?
Yes, he is putting potato.
Is Hari buying a car?
No, Hari is not buying car.
Okay. Is he sell a house?
Selling a house.
Okay. Is he selling a house?
Yes, he is selling house.
Is she selling a shopping mall?
No, he is not selling a shopping mall.
Okay, very nice. Thank you. Thanraj sir,
Sir,
please ask to Reddy sir.
he is. Okay, sir.
Is
He cooking.
Sir, bring your earphone nearby your mouth. Your voice is not audible.
Okay, sir. Is he cooking rice?
Yes, he is cooking rice.
Is he open the door?
Opening the door.
Sorry. Is he opening the door?
She is opening door.
Is he closing the door?
Yes, he is closing door.
Okay. Is he reading the book?
Yes, he is reading book.
Is he teaching the English?
Yes, he is teaching English.
Is he watching the movie?
She is watching movie.
Is he putting a mobile phone?
He is putting mobile phone. Yes.
Is he cutting a vegetable?
Yes, he is cutting vegetable.
Is he buying fridge?
Yes, he is buying fish.
Is he selling a motorbike?
Yes, he is selling motorbike.
Sir. Sir, over, sir.
Thank you, sir. Kirti, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, just Kirti, please ask to Thanra, sir. Sir, sir, aji hela nahi.
Are you? Chicken.
Sir. Hello. Sir.
Papa.
Next, guys, they are cooking rice. Thanra, sir, semane bhato randhu nahanti. Kon habo?
They are not cooking rice.
Semane bhato randhu chanti ki?
Are they cooking rice?
Wonderful, sir. Okay, understood, sir. Sir, jodi question pachara haba, are they cooking rice? Ready, sir, answer kon habo?
They are cooking rice.
Na, are they cooking rice?
They are cooking rice.
Thanra, sir, answer kon habo?
Yes, they are cooking rice.
ଟିକେ ଜୋରେ କହିବେ ସାର୍ ଖାଇଛନ୍ତି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାବେଳେ
Sir.
ବହୁତ ଜୋରେ
Yes, they are cooking rice.
ରେଡି ସାର୍ ବୁଝିଲେ କୋଉଠି ଭୁଲ ହେଲା
Oh, sir. Yes.
ସାର୍ ଏଟା ସିଲି ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ଗୁଡା କରୁଛନ୍ତି are they cooking rice ବୁଝିହେଲା
Oh.
so now I am giving set of verbs Samar sir
Yes, sir.
please ask question to Hirot sir
Okay. One minute, sir. They are speaking English.
directly question are they speaking
Okay.
English
Oh,
question
sorry, sir. Are they speaking English?
Hirot sir
Yes, they are speaking English.
Are they writing a story?
Yes, they are writing a story.
Are they washing a cloth?
Yes, they are washing cloth.
Are they cleaning a car?
Yes, they are a car.
Are they driving a bike?
Yes, they are driving car, a driving bike.
Over, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Anurag sir,
Sir,
please ask to Suresh sir.
are they speaking English?
Suresh sir, unmute yourself. Screen ने हाथ मारନ୍ତୁ सुरेश sir. सुरेश sir. Sir, unmute କରନ୍ତୁ. Screen ने हाथ मारी. Screen ने हाथ मारिକିରି unmute କରନ୍ତୁ. Ready sir. ठीक है. Okay.
Sir.
Dhanraj sir, please ask to Samar sir. Kirti,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
are you online? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dhanraj sir, please ask to
Sir. Okay.
Kirti.
Are they speaking English?
They are speaking.
Yes, they are speaking English, or no, they are not speaking English.
Oh, yes, they are speaking English.
Are they writing letter?
No, they don't.
Don't go Asla. No, they are not writing letter.
No, they're not writing letters.
Are they washing? Are they washing a car?
Yes, they are washing car.
Are they cleaning a home?
Yes, they are cleaning it.
Are they?
Sir?
Are they?
Are they cooking? Are they reading a book?
Reading a book.
Sir? Sir, ମୁଁ ଶୁଣି ପାରୁନି sir.
ठीक है. Reddy sir is online. Ask to Reddy sir.
Are they riding a bike?
Yes, they are riding bike.
Are they driving car?
Yes, they are driving car.
Are they speaking English?
Yes, they are speaking English.
Are they writing letter?
Yes, they are writing a letter.
Are they washing table?
Yes, they are washing table.
Are they cleaning mobile?
Yes, they are cleaning mobile.
Are they reading English?
Yes, they are reading English.
Okay. Sir, over sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I have already shared the recording of last class in your group. Please cross-check the recording, guys. I have already shared in your group. And please watch the recording and back to my class tomorrow. I have already shared the recording. Please cross-check.